All right, I stopped and took a picture of this. This is a 9/32. These are back to 8mm. 9/32 didn't fit. I put this bolt back so I wouldn't lose this cable. So this goes from one end to another. From the neutral, it grounds to the body. So I'll do red first. Red was first. I can always play back the video if I forget. This one has a washer. One red, the other one stays in. All right. A pressure washer and a regular washer. Okay. Here's that ground that goes to the neutral. The white stays there. Another white. Pressure washer, washer, and the nut. And then black. They all have pressure washers and a washer, except the hot. Unless it got stuck in here. It might be stuck. No, it's not stuck in the socket. Okay. So I got this all unplugged. The pigtails do not match. Oh, all right, let's see. Black, red, white, green. Black, red, white, green. The gray thing with the plastic attached clip. Gray cables with the clip. And the original has two whites. I might have to call, see what is up with that. I don't know why it has two whites. Again, I don't know if they're going to the same location. We'll see. Let me hit pause.